Firstly, thank you for visiting our website to see how we can help you. You are probably listening to this video because you have calculated that either yourself or possibly your parents have a potentially large inheritance tax liability when you or they die. The problem is, the whole topic of inheritance tax seems to be very confusing and extremely complicated. You probably feel that you don't know enough to make a good decision on how best to solve your problems, or even if it is possible, without upsetting your current lifestyle. After helping hundreds of clients solve their inheritance tax problems, I firmly believe that the best way to do this is to get a firm grasp on how inheritance tax works. If you go straight to getting advice on personal solutions to your problem, you will question the solutions advised to you. This is inevitable because you do not have a good understanding of how the solutions work within the tax framework. Then you end up going back to trying to get a basic understanding, and it all takes longer and gets more confusing. Getting the basic understanding of the issues around inheritance tax and how it works is always the first step in solving your inheritance tax problem. So let me start by introducing myself. My name is Charles Delastic and I am the Managing Director of Blue Bond Tax Planning. I firmly believe the first stage in solving any problem is to firstly correctly identify the true nature of the problem. The second stage is to get a reasonable understanding of the different possible solutions. Finally, make sure that you get expert help to determine which solution or mix of solutions would solve your own particular problem. People watching this are at different stages, so you may be at the stage where you are just doing some initial research. You may be a person who likes more detailed information before you make a decision, and so you are struggling to get that information in one place in an organized and structured format. You may be at the stage where you are actively trying to find somebody to help you solve your inheritance tax problem. No matter what stage you are at, getting more knowledge in how inheritance tax works will be hugely beneficial. As you can take your time to assimilate and understand the information, we give you a lot more information free up front. 1. Why normal wills are not effective for inheritance tax planning. 2. Trusts, what they are and how they work. 3. How inheritance tax is applied and how it actually works. 4. The main mistakes people make, not only in working out their tax now, but calculating it for the future. 5. The main methods of avoiding inheritance tax. 6. The problems that we have encountered where clients have tried to do it themselves. 7. Examples of different solutions for different levels of wealth and different strategies you can use depending upon your own personal level of wealth. Really, there is nothing for you to lose. It is a free program. You register now, and then at the very least you come away with a lot more education on inheritance tax than you have right now. So thank you very much for listening, and bye for now. Thank you.